Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can delete a poll in Facebook Messenger application. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under the video. Be sure to write a comment and also subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Now I'm going to show you the whole process from the very beginning. So, friends, first of all, please open the Facebook Messenger application and then go to the conversation or group where you have the poll that you created. And as you can see, you can easily find such a poll. And if you click on it, the only thing you can see is the answer choices, who responded, the statistics of your survey, and you can add some more answer choices if you want to. But as you can see, there is no delete function. Also, friends, if you try to click on the survey for a long time or anything else, that is, if you try to manipulate the survey in any way, unfortunately, you won't be able to find the delete function. And so the only way you can delete such a question is to swipe the conversation from the right side to the left side, and then tap again and select delete. In this way, friends, you will delete the entire chat and also this questionnaire that is in the chat. This is the only way you will be able to delete it. This is how you will be able to delete a poll in the Facebook Messenger app. I really hope you found this video useful and help your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also write a comment and put your likes under the video. Bye bye everyone.